To start making the most of your Centtrip account, you first need to ensure that it has sufficient funds. So in order to do that, you just need to make a transfer from your corporate bank account into your Centtrip account. And you can find the details that you need to make that transfer here under Account Home. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the screen, click on Account Details, and select the currency you want to load funds in. The details you need to make the transfer will now be shown on screen. Just remember to include your payment reference so that we can allocate your funds more quickly. The other important thing to remember is that your payment must be sent from your specified source of funds, which is shown here. This will be the account details that you provided when you applied for your Centtrip account. If you need to receive funds from another source, you'll need to submit our third-party request form. Once funds have been received into your account, you can then use this quick transfer feature to move the funds between your other operating accounts and your Centtrip cards. So select the account that you're moving funds from, and then select either an account or a card that you want to move funds to. Enter the amount and click Confirm.